I am here to show you how to make tea properly.
So the first step is you will turn on your kettle, go over to your cupboard and get a cup. And now you will wait for the kettle to boil. Now that you have let the kettle boil, you will grab a tea bag and try and trick shot it. First try. Now that you've let your kettle boil, you'll pour it into your cup. So now we're gonna take the tea bag out and strain it on the side.
You're gonna get your green milk, green top milk. Any milk, or blue milk is acceptable. Red milk, ugh. How people drink that stuff, I don't know. But instead milk and pour it, but not too much, so it's freezing cold. And spill it everywhere apparently. And stir it. I'll add sugar because diabetes here we come. And I'm not a normal person, so 1. And that's it.
Not half bad.